Hello everyone, in this video I will show you the best method to how you can just download Grand Theft Auto 4, I mean GTA 4, right? You can download from the Rockstar Games here, but I will show you the easiest way. So I'm sure you have a Steam here, right? So Steam is a platform where all the games is available, right? And you can download the game from there. So you have to go to Steam, click on install Steam. This setup will get installed, right? And I have already my Steam here. I will open it up. Then I will just go to my store here, feature section. In the search bar you have to just type GTA 4, right? And okay, so I think you have to write the complete name here, right? I will just write here Grand Theft Auto for complete edition. You can say different version here. So let's say this is a complete version I want to buy here, and here you can see that this game is not available right now. You can add to your wish list. We will try to get the another one, right? That is another one complete edition, same goes. So now how you can download it, because Steam makes me for easy. As you can see, I've purchased and downloaded GTA 5 and I can play it directly from here. So you have to go back here because Rockstar is a publisher of GTA games. So you have to just go and click on Grand Theft Auto, right? And here you will, on the top right, you will get this option of buy now. So here, as you can see here, you can't play for free, but you can buy this game, right? And here you can just go and click on buy now. And once I go and click on buy now here, it will ask me to log in using my a Rockstar account. So I will make an account, and I've already have an account, so I will just log in into this. Once you have logged in into your account, automatically it will load for a few seconds. You have to, okay, so it's still loading. Now here you can see it will give you an option that how you want to buy this game. If you don't find this game, that's fine. You can just again click on buy here and automatically it will load. So in my country, UPI is available and different forms of payment available here. If you want to go with your debit and credit card, you can also do with it. So let's say I will just buy from my credit card here. It will ask my credit card number, then expiration date and year. And on the right side you can see each and everything, the rate and everything. So you need to buy this game to play this, right? And here, once you go and click on continue, you will able to buy this game. And where it will shown here, it will shown in your Rockstar ID. So this is my Rockstar game launcher, and all the GTA game is available here, whichever I purchase. So automatically it will get installed in your laptop or PC, so don't worry once you purchase the game. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.